We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're looking at an HP 4300. We're going to show you how to replace the fuser. So anytime you're doing any kind of work on your printer, it's very important to have the power turned off. And it's an even better idea that once the power is turned off to the printer, to unplug the printer. So the power for this printer is actually located in the rear right side of the printer. And so once you have it unplugged, we're going to turn around to make it easy for you to see, and turned off. This particular one has a duplexer, so we need to remove the duplex in order to access the fuser. In order to remove the duplexer, you're just going to lift up and slide it out. Very simple. And then we're going to remove this rear cover, so you're going to pull it straight down. And on the right side, there's going to be a little slot where you can kind of fit your finger or your thumb inside of there. And you're going to push inward and just slide it right out. So here you're going to locate your fuser. Anytime you're dealing with a fuser, especially if the printer's been on, be very careful. The fuser can be extremely hot. I don't want anybody to burn themselves, so please be very careful. To remove it, you're going to see a little blue tab at the bottom, and there's kind of a little thumb hold on the top. You're just going to pinch them together, and you can usually just kind of slide it right out of the machine. You can try to hold the edges. You don't want to hold the top or bottom or kind of anywhere near here. This can all get very hot, so please try to hold the sides and be very careful with it. That's how you remove the fuser. In order to reinstall it, you're just going to slide it right back in, and you want to make sure it clicks on both sides, that it actually locks into position, just like that. And then we're going to reinstall our rear cover. We'll reinstall our duplexer. And then you also need to reset your maintenance count to make sure everything's, so that the printer knows that everything's been changed. So you'll have to plug your printer back in, turn your printer back on, and right after you turn it on, you'll start to see it doing a number count. As it's doing the number count, you're going to press the check mark until all three of these indications light up. Once they all light up and stay lit, you're going to let go, and you're going to use the arrow keys to scroll down where it says replace maintenance kit, and you're going to click the check mark for yes, and then it'll complete its initialization cycle, and just like that, you've replaced your fuser and reset your maintenance kit, and you should be good to go and back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.